Research complete.
Hello दोस्तों, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new topic, and that is array part 3. Okay, in the previous video I already covered array part 2. Okay, now it's part 3. Okay, now let's start. Come on the block diagram, right click on here and click on array, pin it. Okay, and you see array size index array covered in part 1, replace subset and insert into array covered part 2. Okay, now we are cover delete from array and initialize array. Okay, now drag first delete from array. Okay, now concentrate on this. Okay, okay, right click here, click visible and click to label. Okay, it's means delete from array. You already understand about this. Delete from array means you have some array and you need to delete some position, or we can say some value. Okay, and we can easily delete help of delete from array. Okay, how we can do it? Okay, right click on the front panel. Okay, come data, and you also drag this array, but now come to silver and data container. I drag this because their shape amazing, you see, and right click here, come to numeric and drag numeric into array. Okay, now change your size like this. Okay, and you see delete from array have a three terminals, input 3 terminals, and first connect to the array and connect to array input of the deleted array like this. Okay, and you see left 2 array, one is index and second is length. Okay, now first right click on the index, create a control like this. Okay, now increase the size like this. Okay, sorry, yeah, now okay, this is index. Okay, now label also increase, same as array. Okay, now done. Okay, and let's do some output, and you see there have a two, one is delete portion and one is array subset deleted. Okay, now let's see what's happened there. Right click here and create an indicator. Okay, and same for here in the final or delete position, create indicator like this. Okay, now click to the wire and clean up wire, same this, clean up wire. Okay, okay, now done. This is array subset deleted. Okay, let's compare what's output. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is delete position. Okay, portion, sorry, delete portion. Okay, now first I increase the size, same this. Okay, this is our output. Okay, now I enter here output. Okay, and this is our input. Okay, we need to enter a value. Okay, now you see I am enter here 10, 20, 30, sorry, 30. Okay, then 40, then 50. Okay, okay, and index we need to delete like index index number 2. Okay, and you already know about this is 0 index. Oh, sorry, you see this is 0 index and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and so on. Okay, you already know about it. Okay, okay, now I delete index number 2 means 30. Okay, then I am enter here index number 2. Okay, in the index number 2 have a 30 value. Okay, now click to run and let's see what's happened. Okay, now delete and you see first index is 0, index have a 10 value. Okay, now output also have 10, 1 is 20, also have 20. Okay, then well, and you see number 2 have a 30 value, but now in the output it's deleted from array. Okay, you see, not have 30, only direct give third index have 40 value, then 40, then 50. Okay, it's mean you can easy to delete as per your requirement. If you make a project, if you already make a like advanced project, okay, if you need to some modification or delete some file or a array or some like you can say like password, if you enter help of array, then you can easy to remove help of delete from array. Okay, this is the result. Okay, now you already know about it. And you see delete portion, it's indicate like index to have a 30 value. Okay, 30 data, then it's defined here, means 30 data is deleted from the array. Okay, this is delete portion. Okay, you can delete this, not need to more about this. Okay, yeah. Okay, now it's fully complete and you easy to understand. I already tell about the application also. Okay, now let's consider on the second. Right click here, come to array, and you see second, initialize array. What's the mean of this? It's very interesting. Okay, now you see there have two inputs. Okay, first right click here, come to visible, come to label. Okay, initialize array. Okay, and if you don't know about this, then click and come to question mark. You can easy to define everything like array, which wire. Okay, initialize array. Okay, now I close this. Okay, first right click here and create a control. Okay, and first increase the size. Okay, for element like this. Okay, and you see the dimension size also. Right click here and create a control. Okay, this is our dimension. I also increase the size like this. Okay, this is the output of this. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's do first now. Okay, first I clean the wire. Okay, okay, right click here and click to clean a wire. Okay, now right click on the create a indicator. This is initialize array. Okay, this is our output. Okay, and sorry. Okay, now select this. Okay, now let's start. And this is our initialize array. Okay, okay, this array you can create as per requirement. Okay, uh, if you enter element, okay, like I am enter the element is 22. Okay, and help of dimension, you can enter same element on your array list, like column, row, as per your requirement you can enter the same element. Okay, that's mean initialize array. Okay, you can enter, like if you enter a 1, then give the dimension of the like 4, then 1 1 1 in every index have a same element. Now I am enter here, like if I enter 22. Okay, then I click 1. Okay, dimension 1, then run the program, and you see have a 122. Okay, 22 value, element 22, and the dimension size is 1. Okay, if you increase the dimension size like 2, then it's 2 index is covered, like this is 0 index, this is 1 index. Okay, then in the 1 index also have 22 element. Okay, now click to run and you see. Okay, this is initialize array, means as per your requirement you can initialize if you give the 4, then help of the 4 index fill the value of 22 elements. Okay, now click to run and you see 0 1 2 3, and if you are we can say initialize or count the array size, then it's 1 2 3 4. Okay, now you see, if you again change like 3, then click to run and you see the size is 3 and enter the same element, and that is 22. Okay, this is like initialize array. Okay, you can easy to change the size like column. Okay, as like a column or a row as per your requirement, you can easy to do. Okay, this is mean initialize array. Okay, now you can change also as per like style. Okay, style bold like this. Okay, now in this topic we covered delete from array. Okay, it's very important. Okay, and also use lots of applications. Okay, I already tell about it. Okay, in this topic I covered about delete from array and initialize array. Okay, it's very important, you need to do practice. Okay, like take any example, small example like ATM or some project. Okay, like if you take a ATM machine, then you can easy to delete from array. If you are enter some password, then you need to delete that password. Okay, then you use this delete from array function. Okay, you do it. Okay, then second one, initialize array. You help of this you can make a different logics. Okay, easy to make a logics, then help of the logic you can create a data entry also. Okay, as like a password. Okay, you can do it. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much guys.